Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to adjust the backlight brightness of instrument cluster, of the radio and the dashboard backlights as well. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now there is actually a dimmer switch located right here next to the headlight switch. Now for the dimmer switch to work, first you have to turn on the headlights and then you can just slide this dimmer switch up or down to adjust the brightness. Now I will show you how that looks. You see how I'm moving it, how the brightness changes, right? I'm recording this video during the daytime, so I hope you'll be able to see it. The same thing applies to this radio screen. You see how the brightness changes, and it applies to the backlight on these buttons here as well. That's not really visible because it's daytime, but that's how you do it. And now one more tip: if you turn this if you slide this dimmer switch all the way up, that will turn on all of the dome lights in the vehicle as well. So I'll show you that, you see. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.